Hi, this is Rahul. In this video, I'm going to talk about myself and a little bit about video sentiment analysis. I love working on artificial intelligence and developing machine learning algorithms. So far, I developed face recognition, text summarization, chatbot, sentiment analysis, and including this video sentiment analysis. This particular project has been very exciting for me because earlier I haven't worked on combining both sentiment analysis and video analysis together. So this has been a little bit special thing for me. So I'm going to show you how this actually works. So basically when you're in a neutral position, like when you have no expressions on your face, so it just denotes as a neutral. And when you're happy or smiling, it gives you a happy tag to it. And when you're angry, it gives you an angry. So yeah, there are a few other emotions like disgust, fear, sad as well. This particular program can be used in a retail stores, in a supermarkets, like where you're standing in front of a customer and knows like whether he's happy or sad about a particular product. So then you can come up with your or offer him something as a complimentary to retain him as a customer. Thank you.